Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I am going to share a swap that I received from Raquel, and this is in a group called Made by You on Facebook. And Raquel wanted to enter a swap. It was a group swap, but she was having problems with her Facebook or something, so she was too late. But then she posted that she was having problems with her Facebook page. So I volunteered. I stepped in and said, you know what, I'll do a swap with you. So this is a one-on-one swap. Now I sent her everything that I sent to everyone else. I didn't tell her that we had decided to include extras, just because to me it was, it's easy just to include another swap person in my swap while I'm already creating. So I didn't tell her anything. That's, and I, to me, that's fine. She didn't have to do anything extra. And, but she did, it looks like. So this is a pretty big box. For this swap, we were required to make one shaped tag. And then we were also to include a handmade gift. And that's all that was required on the swap. And she did more than that, which is, absolutely phenomenal. I mean, you can tell by the box that it contains more than she needed to send. And she sent me this cutest little card, and it says Merry Christmas, and it looks like she colored all of that in. So her name is Raquel, and she is Paints and Glitter here on YouTube. I'm going to link her page, her YouTube channel in the description box. Guys, she does some amazing work. She is an amazing crafter. So I encourage you to stop by and visit her and subscribe. She does some really, really beautiful work. So, and on the back is just thanking me for the swap and, and all that good stuff. And she hopes I enjoy what she's created. And just by the look of the card, I'm sure I will. So anyway, let's get in this box. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove everything from inside the box, just so we don't have this big box right in front of us. All right, guys, I have taken everything out of the box, and so we're gonna see together what's in here. So this little tag fell off of something, and I don't know what it was, but it's a little round circle, and it says joy, and it's got little Christmas trees, and it's cut out in pink glitter paper. It's very, very pretty. So I'm not sure what it came off of. It could have come off of these little envelopes. Yeah, I think it came off of these little envelopes. She probably had them grouped together. Yeah, something, because that's what it fits. So these were together, and then this, this, and then this cute little box. I love this little box. It's so pretty, Raquel. Thank you. It says Merry Christmas, and it's got a pink background. Oh, it's like this one, but it's got a pink background without the scallops. Oh, that's so pretty. And it says Noel in the front. She uses beautiful pink glitter paper with white, the white layering pieces, and that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, beautiful. And it says joy on the back. It's so pretty. So I am going to pull this off and see what's in here. And oh, it looks like there's chocolates in here. Look at that. Yummy, yummy chocolates, dark chocolate. So those look yummy. I love the little box. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So there is that one. That's so pretty. And then we have, I don't know what to open next. Let me open this. I don't know what this is, but oh, these are bag toppers. So how pretty are these, guys? Look at that. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. She's got her pink layering piece at the bottom, and then she followed it by with a white doily, and then a gold one with snowflakes and some Christmas ornaments in the background. And then she put this beautiful layer of pine branches, I think. And then she layered it with several snowflakes That is so pretty. And then a pink snowflake in the center and a silver one on the top with that beautiful, beautiful pearl on the top. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they are beautiful. Wow. Well, my work is done for me for the next swap. This is so, aw, this one says cheer. That's pretty. So these are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, they are gorgeous. Thank you, Raquel. All right, that is beautiful. Okay, so we are going to open this next. That is so pretty. It's a little flip book of some sort. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So the back has that beautiful paper, pink and like a teal green. She put little stones in the center, some little bling pieces. And then right here, she put some pink tulle on the side with these beautiful, beautiful stones here that are like a bluish color. A butterfly applique in the center, and then it looks like she put another applique right on the top with a pearl in the center. She used an applique, or some trim at the bottom, and then the word sparkle on the top. That looks like a wood piece. And then this beautiful, beautiful snowman. He looks like a wood piece as well. So that is so pretty. She layered it twice. The bottom layer is white. She used the binder rings for the sides, and then you open it up and look at that. That is so pretty. And you can do, you can do actually a picture or journaling. And then it looks like she layered all the, you can do the picture and then journaling on this side, or a picture on both sides. But it looks like she layered each of the pages. And then on the back, she's got this beautiful paper again. And that is such a pretty paper. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then on the back, here's her information: paints and glitter, custom cards, and art. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Thank you, Raquel. I really like this. That's so pretty. So now we are going to open these little envelopes. I have no idea what is in here. And this is the first one. And she's closed it with some washi. Oh, they open this way. And let's see what she's included. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, this is a little note card. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Christmas cheer, it says here at the bottom. Looks like she used some stickles. She may have used a pen, on this side or around the banner. She used a pink flower here. It looks like a poinsettia. And then she put a little applique on the top with a pearl. Another piece here. Oh my gosh, she sewed this. It's distressed on the edge. That is so pretty. Look at that. That gorgeous little snowflake right at the bottom. It looks like she embossed this little square. That is so pretty. I love that. And it comes in its own envelope, which is awesome. I don't have to worry about an envelope. And then the next one. And she included another one. Oh, this is work, guys. She sewed these two pieces, or she sewed this one, the top one. And then she probably glued it down. That is so adorable, Raquel. Oh my gosh, that was work. And then how cute is this one, guys? With the silver snowflakes. She layered this one. Maybe she put some Nouveau drops or right in the center. Oh, how pretty. Look, she layered this one. This one has a layer of vellum. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. That was work, guys. That was work. I appreciate it. Thank you, Raquel. And here is another one. So pretty. Look at her little dress. Has sparkles on it. That's so cute. And you can clearly see the vellum on this one. That looks so pretty layered like that. And then I'm sure the inside, yep. Wow, that is work. Thank you, Raquel. I appreciate the hard work that you put into this swap. Okay, now we are going to open this gorgeous little box. Oh my gosh, I love the use of her colors. So this is a handmade box. That's so pretty. She used all her glitter paper on here and beautiful bells here. It looks like she layered those, put up some dimension on that. Beautiful bow on the top with some pearls right at the corners. Beautiful box. I can definitely reuse the box. And then inside the box is her tag. Oh my gosh, look at her tag, guys. This bottom piece is embossed, and then she put a layer of glitter paper on top of that, and then she probably colored all of this herself. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can make myself use this. That is so pretty. And then she put some bows with some crinkled seam binding, and then she has little pieces down here as well. She put little bling pieces throughout, and that is so cute. She put a little bell there at this on the center of the bow with this twine bow, the little mouse, and then she put a ribbon on the top, and there's the to and from Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks like she may have used some glossy accents. And then, oh, this is just gorgeous. Her coloring is amazing. I can't color to save my life. But my goodness, Raquel, this is amazing. This is beautiful. I don't know if I can make myself use it on a gift. So this, I have no idea what it is. We were to include a handmade gift, and she has included quite a few of them. So I truly do not know what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I saw her video when she was making this. This is a Nicole Silhouette cutting file, and this is so stinking adorable. Look at that. Look at the detail on here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these glue strings, those are always free, guys. Just so you know, glue strings are always free. Oh, that is so pretty. And that paper, that is so gorgeous. I don't know where that paper comes from, but it is beautiful. There's the bottom. She has sewn all the way around this layer. Looks like she inked the edges in that beautiful blue. And this is the other side. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Those are chipboard pieces. And then this chipboard piece, the snowflake, it looks like she painted it a couple different colors to mimic these. And then she put a little bling piece right in the center. She used all this gorgeous trim, and then there's another snowflake, and she put a little tag right here. That is so cute. And then right here she put a butterfly, and the butterfly has glass glitter around the edges. That is so pretty. And so does this beautiful flower. She put another little wood piece here at the bottom and the top. Those are leaves. And oh my goodness, another flower here. She just, look at the use of her colors. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that, Raquel. Guys, I'm sure this was work. Look, she even hand sewed these together. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful work. This will be displayed. And then looks like there is something on the inside. So open it up with Velcro, and look how wide that opens. That's awesome. So she put a couple of Velcro pieces on each side that closes the little bag up. That is so adorable. So we open it up, and let's take out these bags. Look at that. There's a lot of space in there, guys. Gosh, that's beautiful. So Let's see what's in the bags. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over how beautiful this is. So she made some rosettes. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. She cut them out of vellum paper. That is just gorgeous. So she cut 2 smaller scallops to go in the center. These are ready to go, guys. I can use these on my projects now. So those are so pretty. Thank you, Raquel. And then it looks like she sent some flowers. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm taking all of these out. Oh, look how pretty are these. Oh my gosh, she put glass glitter on the edges of these as well. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It looks like each petal is painted or colored, and then it's got splatters. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And then it's got the solid colored petals at the bottom. Oh my goodness, that looks like work, guys. Those are so gorgeous, Raquel. And then she did the solid ones. On the solid ones, this one she put a little flat back pearl in the center. And these, it looks like she just put some green shaker bits on there. That's so pretty. She shaped them and she colored them. Wow. This must have taken quite a while to make. Oh my gosh, I just love this, Raquel. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You didn't have to do all of this. I appreciate it, and thank you so much. Okay guys, I just wanted to share with you what she had sent to me. It is all so gorgeous. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and y'all have a wonderful crafty day. Talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot.